Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Weber grills that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch charcoal grill. This is the quintessential backyard grill that provides a classic charcoal cooking experience at an unbeatable price. For $141.99, it's the budget-friendly option on our list. The design is iconic, with a porcelain enameled lid and bowl that retain heat incredibly well, while resisting rust and peeling over time. The 363 square inches of cooking surface are ample enough to grill up to 13 burgers at once using the Weber Burger Press. Its one-touch cleaning system makes ash disposal hassle-free, and the built-in dampers allow you to precisely control the cooking temperature. Plus, the durable plated steel cooking grate is easy to clean, ensuring a low-maintenance grilling experience. While this grill doesn't come with many bells and whistles, it excels in simplicity and performance. It's ideal for anyone looking to dip their toes into charcoal grilling, or those who prefer a straightforward, reliable option. The downside is that it lacks advanced features like a built-in thermometer or hinged grates. However, for the price, it delivers excellent value and is perfect for casual backyard barbecues. Coming in at number 4 is the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill, 22-inch. This is an upgraded version of the original kettle, offering enhanced features for more convenient grilling at $219. The standout feature here is the high-capacity ash catcher, which makes cleanup even easier than the base model. The hinged cooking grate is another great addition, allowing you to add charcoal mid-session without removing your food. The built-in lid thermometer is a thoughtful inclusion for monitoring temperatures at a glance, and the porcelain enameled build ensures long-lasting heat retention and rust resistance. With enough cooking space for 13 burgers, this grill is perfect for family gatherings or small parties. While it's more expensive than the standard original kettle, the premium version justifies the price with its user-friendly upgrades. However, it still lacks some advanced features like warming racks or side tables. This grill is an excellent choice for those who want a step up from the basic model without venturing into gas-powered options. At number 3, we have the Weber Genesis E325 Liquid Propane Gas Grill, a powerhouse for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Although the price isn't currently listed, this grill is designed for those who prioritize performance and versatility. The Genesis E325 features 3 pure blue burners, which provide consistent, even heat across its 641 square inches of cooking space. The extra-large sear zone is a highlight, allowing you to cook multiple steaks or burgers at once with high-intensity heat. Additionally, the porcelain enameled cast iron grates are built for durability and superior heat retention, while the flavorizer bars enhance flavor by vaporizing drippings. The grease management system simplifies cleanup, and the built-in warming rack offers extra space for toasting buns or keeping food warm. This grill is perfect for intermediate to advanced users who want a reliable, high-performance gas grill. However, it's bulky and may require a significant investment upfront. The lack of a listed price may be a drawback for some, but the Genesis E325's performance makes it a standout choice for serious grillers. At number 2, we have the Weber Genesis E415 Liquid Propane Gas Grill. It's a large-capacity grill designed for those who love hosting big cookouts. While the price isn't available, this model is a premium choice for those who need versatility and cooking space. With 4 burners, the E415 offers an expansive 994 square inches of cooking area, making it one of the largest in the lineup. The pure blue burners ensure even heat distribution, while the flavorizer bars and grease management system keep things clean and flavorful. The stainless steel and porcelain enameled build is designed to withstand the elements, and the warming rack provides extra space for buns or smaller items. Handy side tables and tool hooks make it easy to keep everything you need within reach while grilling. This grill is ideal for advanced users or those who frequently entertain large groups. However, Its size and weight might be too much for smaller patios or casual users. If you're looking for a feature-packed, high-capacity grill, the Genesis E415 is a fantastic option. And finally, at number 1, we have the Weber Spirit 3-burner E300 liquid propane grill, priced at $449. This grill takes the top spot for its perfect balance of performance, durability, and user-friendly features. The E300 features 3 burners that provide consistent, precise heat across its 360 square-inch cooking surface. The Snap-Jet ignition system allows for easy startup, while the porcelain-enameled cast-iron grates retain heat evenly and are effortless to clean. The built-in grease management system is another highlight, ensuring a mess-free grilling experience. Additionally, the warming rack and durable side tables make it easy to multitask, whether you're toasting buns or prepping food. The stainless steel flavorizer bars boost the flavor of your food while minimizing flare-ups. This grill is perfect for anyone, from beginners to experienced grillers who want reliable performance with just the right amount of added features. Its combination of durability, ease of use, and cooking power makes it the best all-around option on our list. The only drawback is its smaller cooking area compared to larger models, but for most users, it's more than sufficient. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.